In this problem, we need to find the derivative of the inverse sine of 2x over 1 plus x squared with respect to tangent inverse of x. Now, to solve such a problem, all we have to do is make an assumption that we'll consider u, which is a function of x, to be equals to sine inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x squared. And we will consider v, another function of x, will to be equals to inverse tangent of x. Now what we'll do, we'll simplify u of x. All we have to do is make an assumption that we'll take x to be equals to tangent of theta, such that theta is simply inverse tangent or arctangent of x. Now we'll first use this. So here we have u of x equals to inverse sine of 2 times tangent of theta divided by 1 plus tangent squared theta. So this is going to give us inverse sine of, so 2 times tangent of theta, so that's the ratio sine theta over cosine theta, and 1 plus tangent squared theta, so that's an identity which is 1 over secant squared theta. So sec 1 over secant squared theta, that means we have u of x equals to inverse sine of 2 times sine theta divided by cosine theta. The 1 over secant squared theta will become cosine squared theta. The 1 cosine theta from the numerator and 1 from the denominator goes away. That gives us sine inverse of 2 times sine theta times cosine theta. Now we know that sine of 2 theta, so that's given by 2 times sine theta times cosine theta. So we'll substitute 2 sine theta times cosine theta with sine 2 theta, and that gives us sine inverse of sine 2 theta. So sine inverse of sine 2 theta will be simply 2 theta. So this is u. This is not actually x. U is a function of theta. U is a function of theta, but we'll again take it back as a function of x. So that means we have 2 times, so we consider theta to be equals to, we consider tangent of theta to be equals to x. So that means theta will be equals to inverse tangent of x. Okay, fine. Now that we have the value of u of x, which u of x given by 2 times tangent inverse of x, so its derivative with respect to x will be equals to 2 times the derivative with respect to x of inverse tangent of x. So that gives us 2 divided by 1 plus x squared. So this is du over dx. Let's label this as number 1. And we had v equals to inverse tangent of x. So that means derivative of v with respect to x will be simply equals to 1 over 1 plus x squared. So this is number 2. So what we'll do, we'll need to find du over dv. The du over dv is simply derivative of u with respect to x divided by derivative of v with respect to x. So that means we have 2 over 1 plus x squared multiplied to 1 plus x squared. So that's cancelled out, and this gives us 2. So that means the value of our derivative is going to be equals to 2.